So I know a lot of people have been skeptical about Supra, but in this video, we're going to be having a look at Supra right here because I'm going to show you guys a chart that could potentially send Supra to the absolute moon. We're going to be having a look at our trades also because our trades right now are absolutely exploding. We got Solana up 42%, A up 18%, and we got Bonk up 10%. So if you guys find this video interesting, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, turn notification bells on so you guys never miss a video. Diving in and having a look at Supra with the markup of $72 million, currently traded at 0.0483. You guys can see that we are seeing a nice little rebound to the upside. We are finally breaking above these EMA ribbons. I'm going to talk about that in just a second. Circling supply is currently sitting at 15 billion tokens with a markup of 72 million. The volume is quite low, 11 million. I would like to see more volume on Supra despite seeing the markup of Bitcoin absolutely skyrocketing. Bitcoin has officially passed Amazon in terms of markup at $2.434 trillion, up 3.72% in the last 24 hours or since the new candle started. If we have a look right here at some of our trades, obviously, if you guys want to join my Discord before we have a look at Supra, we are absolutely cooking. You guys can see that my Discord is free, completely free. And of course, you guys, I do give market analysis, swing signals, scalp signals for absolutely free as well. So if you guys are interested in that, the link will be in the description below. Now, having a look at Supra real quick, what is going on and what is happening? Well, you guys can see right here that on the daily time frame, we did break above these exponential moving average for the first time in a very long time. You guys can see right here that ever since Supra broke below these exponential moving average, we have been trending to the downside and we have never broken these EMA ribbon. Every time we essentially contacted these exponential moving average, we always got rejected. We got rejected, got rejected, got rejected. And now for the first time in over 6 months, I would say Supra is finally above these exponential moving average. And the big question is, where is Supra going from here? Well, this is where we're going to be having a look on the 4-hour time frame. We're going to be diving in on the 4-hour time frame and on the 15-minute time frame on the shorter time frame to see where this can potentially go. I do want to have a look at the stochastic RSI because this will tell us if something's oversold and overbought. And you guys can see right here that it looks like the stochastic RSI are not oversold and they're not overbought. It looks like we're just a little bit neutral. It looks like there is definitely some room to essentially explode. You guys can see that ever since we broke these EMA ribbons, we came back down, retested. This would have been a fantastic buy opportunity. Exploded, came back down one more time, and then retested before exploding. And since the bottom, Supra is up 162%. If you're playing on leverage and you are taking my signals, you could have been up literally 1,160% in the matter of weeks, and you probably would have broken even from our last trade or from the trade of 6 months ago, of course. And that's what's happening right now for Supra. If we have a look right here on the 15-minute time frame and we take and have a look at this smart money toolkit, you guys can see that we do have a little bit of an order block right here on Supra sitting at 5 cents or 0.05. We did have a bullish order block right here. We had a breaker structure. Things are looking pretty good. The trend is clearly your friend, and the trend is clearly to the upside on Supra, which is looking pretty darn good. On the 15-minute time frame, it looks like we do want to reverse, and it looks like we do want to at least come up and retest this order block right here. On the daily, we're still bullish. I mean, bearish, I'm not going to lie. But on anything below the daily 4-hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes, and 15 minutes, we are pretty bullish. So that's what's happening right now on Supra. Nothing too crazy. Before we have a look at Bitcoin, I do want to have a look at the Bitcoin dominance because the Bitcoin dominance is very important. If we have a look right here on the 1 hour on the Bitcoin dominance, we saw altcoins bleed for a little bit. If you guys remember a few minutes ago, we saw altcoins pretty much bleed. And the reason why is because we saw a massive surge in the Bitcoin dominance. If the Bitcoin dominance keeps on pumping, you could expect altcoins to bleed, and that would include Supra. So as long as we get rejected by this order block on the Bitcoin dominance and come back down, that's going to be very good for Supra. We're most likely going to see altcoins and Supra continue to essentially go up. But that's what's happening right now on the Bitcoin dominance. If we have a look right here at the regular Bitcoin chart, you guys can see that, of course, this was one of the trades that I called on my Discord channel. Make sure you guys click the link in the description below if you guys are interested in joining the Discord. But we saw a nice little consolidation on Bitcoin on the 1 hour time frame, exploded, came back down, had a nice little bearish liquidity sweep. Actually, it was like kind of like a bear trap before exploding to the upside and making an all-time high. So yes, Bitcoin has officially made an all-time high, currently sitting at $122,114. If Bitcoin does come back and correct, you could expect altcoins to essentially bleed. So we're gonna have to keep an eye on Bitcoin, and pretty much that's about it. If you guys do like this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, and I'll see you guys